Alright, so this is going to be kind of ETS muffled intake, muffled exhaust inside the car. So I'm going to go with second gear, kind of do a little second gear pull. So not too loud. I don't think it's that much louder than stock, but it is definitely louder than stock. Yeah, kind of a little rev. Definitely think it's a little louder than stock. You can hear it more when the cold start. It's got a little bit more of like a rumble inside the cabin, kind of like a deeper sound, but not necessarily a loud sound. I'm gonna go like first gear. So loud, but not like loud. So like I said, I don't know if you can hear it in the video, but it's deeper. You know, it's but not obnoxious. It's not like I've had much louder exhaust, but I think this is kind of like a perfect mix of, you wanted some more sound, but you don't want to get annoyed of it, and you don't want to hear a ton of drone. So like for this one, kind of give you downshift so I can kind of get to the. It's kind of, this is kind of where you'll be highways, somewhere in like 2,500 to 3,000 range. So here's kind of how it sounds at 2,500. It's louder, but it's not like, it's not insane. I'll get some out of the car clips as well, but I don't think it's crazy loud. I really like it. It kind of fit the bill. It was able to get me the noise, and my wife actually doesn't mind it, which is nice. I've had a bunch of loud cars in the past that haven't been wife friendly or neighbor friendly, and this one's kind of wife friendly, neighbor friendly, and I think this is a good fit for people who don't want a really loud exhaust. But of course, if you want ear bleeding loud, maybe you go ETS Extreme, or something else crazy that's pretty much just like a straight, almost like a straight pipe with no resonators and no mufflers. But for me, I as cool as that would be probably for a day or two, I think that would be something that would get old quickly. But like I said, I like it. I've had it on my car for I think a few weeks now, not a long time, but a few weeks, and it hasn't bothered me. In my opinion, like I said, it's not that much louder than stock, but it's definitely louder than